Okay, here we are the second day. Rodney has the fence all out and the temporary fence put in here, so Buddy has a place to run. They left their equipment for the night. They have stuff in the back too, but today all these trees are going to be cut down after they finish in the backyard. So they have the one tree to take down by the porch in the backyard, and one that's down that they need to cut up. And then they'll be out here working, and the front yard's going to be a mess like the backyard was. They're making a mess. They got the rope up there. They're going to be taking this one down soon. The one right outside the window right here. Rodney has to take the flower bed out. We were hoping it wouldn't have to get taken out, so he's pulling the flower bed out. And they're up there putting logs. You can see back behind. He's coming back for another one. And these guys are carrying those things off the back of the truck to lay down for them to drop that last tree so that it doesn't hurt the septic, because they have all the other stuff out now. And Rodney couldn't get those posts out, so they're going to pull them out with their equipment. And then he's going to use his equipment, grab a hold of the chain. Because he tried digging it out. You see all the dirt on the ground, and that wasn't working. It's going to take him days. Alright, let's see. Oh, look at that. Easy. Alright. Seems like awful big equipment to use to do that, but boy does it go easy. Look at that. Way easy. Yay! I got a rope down to pull on. Now we know what that line's for, see? So they don't drop on the house. Pretty cool. See? Pretty neat. You have to take most of the video yesterday and today with my phone since it's been raining. I don't want to get my camera out in the rain. But yeah, that tree's much skinnier than it used to be. It won't be damaging our roof anymore, as soon as I get it down anyway. Here it goes. Okay. Yeah, we're doing the trees right now, and so the dogs are inside while the tree people are out there, and you can see somebody has a fat belly, and it's November 8th and she's due December 2nd, so I think that we will definitely have puppies and might be pretty fat by the time she has them. Day 2. This is day 2. I think that she could get used to this. She's being really good. So there's their big truck, their boom truck. There's the trees they got to get tomorrow. They're pretty big. That's the 2 like they got today. Those were big like that. My nursery looks tiny, doesn't it? Anyway, so this was day 2. We'll see how they do tomorrow. It'll be at least tomorrow, maybe another couple days after that. We'll just see what they get done tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Oh, look, it's snowing. We had snow earlier yesterday. Now we got some more today. Yeah, look at that. It's snowing like crazy. Oh, wait a minute. That's not snow, that's sawdust. Outside the front door. We'll be working on these trees with the big boom truck.
Simply amazing. 2 trees at once.
Well, we got those two. They cut them down at the same time. Dropped the whole tree. Two more there and one in the back. Yeah, now they're going to limit. Well, here's the end of day 2. I'm finally going to let the goats out today. So it's a little after 3. They just left, so I'm letting the goats out. I've been keeping them locked up because I don't want them getting scared and running down the hill when it's raining out. So they're getting to come out for a little bit before I put them back up for the night. So I got the one tree done in the backyard, and they got these limbed part of the way up, and they got the 2 drops. So there's 2 more big ones, the one behind it, and we're going to have them while they're here to trim these away from the power lines. We won't have them take the trees down, but we'll have them trim them anyway. And when they drop those 2 here, I thought we had these over here pretty safe, but they almost got in there. Almost, because they dropped the whole trees. They didn't top them. They can put pretty big trees and branches in there, but we're getting a pretty good stack of ones they can't fit in there. So that's all the logs that they couldn't chip. And there's the wood chip pile from day 2. There's a little more distance. Some tires stacked. I'll tell you how tall it is. It's a pretty good pile. That was 2 trees. So there's their big truck, their boom truck. But there's the trees they got to get tomorrow. They're pretty big. That's the 2 like they got today. Those were big like that. My nursery looks tiny, doesn't it? Anyway, so this was day 2. We'll see how they do tomorrow. It'll be at least tomorrow, maybe another couple days after that. We'll just see what they get done tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.